Ready to unlock free fries and McFlurries? Let's get your McDonald's gift card onto the app in seconds. First, fire up your McDonald's app. Make sure you're logged in. Take a look at the bottom of your screen, see those icons. Tap on the one that says Deals. Alright, you're in the Deals section. Now, near the very top, you should see a big, obvious button that says Add Card. Tap on that Add Card button. Now for the important part. Very carefully, enter the gift card number printed on the back of your physical card into the gift card number field. Double check it. One wrong digit and you're going nowhere. Next, enter the PIN. The PIN is usually found under a scratch-off section on the back of your card. Gently scratch it off and type in the PIN. Again, accuracy is key. Once you've entered both the card number and PIN, you'll see that Add Card button light up. Now, tap it. Fantastic! You should now see a confirmation message saying your card has been added. It will also show your current balance. You can view it anytime under the McDonald's Rewards section as well. See, your gift card now appears as a payment option. You can use it when ordering ahead or while paying in the store. Now, go treat yourself to something delicious on your gift card anyway. Enjoy!